Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video we explored what IMOUT is and why it's gaining attention in the Solana meme space. Now it's time to go deeper into the part that really matters, the actual data behind the project. In this video we will break down tokenomics, market performance, liquidity and the real analytics from the Dexscreener. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And here a clarification note, this video content is only for informational and educational purpose, not a financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before making any investment decision. So first of all we will discuss about the tokenomics. So viewers, IMOUT is built on the fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, and here's the key point, the mint function is disabled. This means no new tokens can be created, no future inflation, and the supply is permanently capped. The token runs on the Solana blockchain using 6 decimals for the precise and flexible transaction. The project already has a growing base with over 1200 plus holder participating early. And here you can also check out the tax model, zero cost trading. So IMOUT follows a very simple structure, 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax. So what does that mean for users? No hidden deductions, no extra trading cost, and full control over your capital. This type of model supports faster trading activity, easier entry and exit, and a frictionless trading experience. So IMOUT was launched using a fair launch model, which means no pre-sale, no private allocations, no early insider advantage. Everyone entered under the same conditions. Now let's move to liquidity. Viewers, liquidity is locked and burn, which significantly reduces risk and increases confidence. Initial LP on pump swap and radium. Viewers, IMOUT currently maintains around 88 to 89,000 liquidity. Over 106 million tokens pooled, paired with approximately 530 SOL. This creates a balanced liquidity pool, allowing smoother trading activity. So now let's analyze real-time performance. IMOUT is traded on Radium using the CPMM model for the liquidity management, and you can also see that the project has been active for the 11 days and 15 hours ago. So what we are clearly looking at an early stage project, and now we will discuss the price and valuation. At the time of analysis, price is 0.00042005 US dollars approximately. In the SOL prices has been mentioned here. Market cap is approximately 420,000 US dollar. FDV is 420,000 US dollar. This indicates the supply is fully represented in the market. No hidden dilution risk. In the last 24-hour price change, 8.16% decrease, a normal short-term correction in a volatile market. Now let's look at the activity levels in just 24 hours. More than 13,111 transactions and more than 155,000 US dollars trading volume. That's a strong signal of engagement. Even more interesting, buyers are 8368, and you can also check out sellers are 4969. This shows a clear buyer dominance, which often reflects growing interest. Additional data is number of holders has been mentioned here, so you can check out the details. And here you can also check out the liquidity providers are 20. This suggests expanding participation, growing community base, and increasing market depth. Look at the chart. The 15-minute time frame shows early volatility followed by a consolidation phase. This usually indicates market stabilization, controlled trading activity, and possible preparation for the next move. Now let's talk trade flow. Transactions are happening in the rapid cycles from as low as 0.50 US dollar up to 70 US dollar plus. This means high liquidity, fast execution, flexible entry points, and these are the also using around 5% slippage to manage execution during volatile movements. Viewers, IMOUT is not positioning itself as just as a short-term meme token. It's moving toward building a more interactive ecosystem. They soon will build ecosystem with tasks, quests, mini games where people can complete to earn XP plus points, which can change for tokens. This is a major shift toward gamification, user participation, and reward-based engagement. In addition, a staking system is planned. Here you can check out the detail of the staking system. A structured roadmap is in the development. This shows an effort to build a long-term involvement instead of short-term attention. So when you look at the full picture, IMOUT presents a combination of fixed and transparent economics, zero tax trading, locked liquidity, fair launch structure, active market participation, and early stage growth potential. At the same time, it remains a young and evolving project, which means both opportunity and risk exist side by side. If you found this breakdown useful, show your support by hitting the like button, share the video with someone who wants clear and honest crypto insights, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to hear your perspective. And if you want to stay updated with the project like this, make sure this channel stay on your radar. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay informed.